In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Hostinger domain and hosting using cryptocurrency with a live demonstration. Navigating the world of web hosting and domain registration can seem a bit daunting, especially when you're incorporating cryptocurrency into the mix. However, with this step-by-step guide, you'll see just how straightforward it can be. Let's dive in. To start, we'll be using Hostinger, a popular platform for web hosting and domain registration. First, head over to the Hostinger website by entering the URL into your browser. Once you're on their homepage, you want to focus on the top navigation bar. Look out for the Domains tab and give that a click. This section is where you'll begin your journey into domain buying. Once you've clicked on domains, the next step is to add a new domain. You'll see an option titled Add New Domain. Click on that. It'll bring you to a fresh page where you can search for and purchase a completely new domain. Now, this is where your creativity comes in. Think about your desired domain name. This could be anything relevant to your business, brand, or personal project. There will be a search bar where you can type in your preferred domain name. Take a moment to type it in there. Once you have entered your desired domain name, look for the search button and click it. This action will check the availability of your chosen domain. If your domain is available, fantastic. You'll see an option to buy now. Click on it, and it'll guide you to the payment stage. If the domain isn't available, don't worry. Try variations until you find one that is. You're now at the point of choosing your payment method. Hostinger makes this process very user-friendly. Click on Choose Payment Method, and you'll see a list of available options. Since we're focusing on cryptocurrency, look for the Additional Payment Methods button. Click on it, and you'll find an option that says CoinGate. This is what enables the payment via cryptocurrency. Next, select Pay with Cryptocurrency. This will set up the payment process through crypto exchanges. At this stage, you will need to choose which cryptocurrency you want to use. Options may vary, but popular choices like Bitcoin and Ethereum are commonly supported. Once you've made your choice, click Continue. This will complete your selection and finalize the process. Congratulations! You've just purchased a Hostinger domain and hosting using cryptocurrency. It's a modern and efficient way to manage your web services, especially if you find using traditional currency a bit limiting or if you're an active crypto user. Now you can start building your online presence, be it a blog, a store, or a portfolio. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and thank you for joining me today.